Hello guys, in this video I'm going to share with you my full design process on how I create a complete brand identity for a client from start to finish, starting with a discovery and research session and ending with a brand presentation. The brand I'm going to design for is a fictional Arizona based brand focused on developing thrilling and immersive video games centered around survival, adventure and puzzle solving. The studio's inspiration is the wild with all its surroundings and the mystery of ancient ruins and civilizations. So after I conducted clues from images brainstorming, games look alike, competitors, values and more, it's like a pre-discovery and research on how I want the brand to convey its message. I came up with the name Ravex. Ravex is a combination of two words, raven, which refers to a type of crow that has dark black feathers. Ravens solve problems using logic and perform complex behaviors. They are usually successful at driving off perceived threats, which apply to the characters and the type of games that Ravex Studio develops. The second word that formed the name Ravex is exotic, which refers to the type of environment that has harsh obstacles and hard to live in. It's like only if you are willing to conquer those challenges that are in this habitat or era to survive in this kind of environment, and that really reflects the type of games and characters that your Vex Studio trying to develop. So this is the overview and a foundation of the brand. To conclude, your Vex's mission is to create engaging video games that ignites the passion of gamers and gives them excitement for better opportunities and achievement and to keep going further. So without further ado, let's dive into the first phase, which is discovery and research. So before diving into any design project, research is absolutely key. I wanted to create a brand identity for Vex that not only captures the essence of their games, but also resonates with gamers on a deeper level. To kick off this journey, I explored various platforms for inspiration, including Pinterest and Behance, and I also used Unsplash to look for high-quality images that match the overall look of the brand and can be used as a visual strike and images to present the brand. These platforms are treasure troves of creativity filled with mood boards, concept art, and design trends. As I delved into the themes that define your Vex's games, the untamed wilderness, ancient civilization, and the thrill of survival, all played a role in shaping the direction of this brand identity. What I usually do is schedule 3 1-hour client meeting sessions via Google Meet. In these meetings, I discuss the client's preference, brand story, vision, goals, and personality. It's called a brand strategy or discovery and research session. Since we're crafting a system identity for a fictional or fake brand, I already did the research. Now that we've explored the rich tapestry of inspiration, join me as we transition into the exciting world of crafting a Stylescape. The creation of Stylescape is crucial. Think of it as the blueprint that will guide our design decisions. So let's jump right in. But first, what exactly is a Stylescape? A Stylescape is a curated collection of visual elements, including colors, typography, and imagery that establishes the overall aesthetic direction of a brand. It's a powerful tool that helps us align our creative vision and ensures consistency throughout the design process. As you can see, I've sped up the video to give you a condensed view of the process. During this phase, I translated the inspiration gathered from our research into tangible design elements. From selecting a dark and bold color palette to experimenting with different fonts and exploring relevant imagery. Every choice was made with the immersive and thrilling atmosphere of Ravex's games in mind. By accelerating the process, we can get a glimpse of how the Stylescape took shape. And there you have it. This visual guide will be the North Star as we move into the next step, which is sketching. In the previous steps, we explored the inspirations and crafted two Stylescapes. that serves as our design blueprint. Now, armed with a clear direction, it's time to breathe life into our ideas through the magic of sketching. This is where the concepts start taking shape on paper. Sketching is a pivotal phase where ideas transition from the abstract to the tangible. It's the raw, unfiltered stage where we explore different concepts, refine details, and let our creativity flow freely. The sketches will serve as the foundation for the final logo mark, embodying the essence of Ravex's gaming world. As we jump into the sketching phase, I've accelerated the video to give you a condensed view of the creative process. Each stroke of the pen represents a decision. This sped up version provides a snapshot of the sketching journey, and there you have it, a glimpse into the sketching phase where ideas begin to take form. Now, stick around as we move into the digital realm and witness the transformation of these sketches into a polished design. So, let's continue our journey with the vectorization and finalization of Revex's brand identity. This phase is all about turning those sketches into a polished professional logo for a Vex. Vectorizing is like tracing our sketches on a computer. It helps us make our design more precise, scalable, and ready for different uses. Using Adobe Illustrator, we're taking our hand-drawn ideas and giving them a sleek digital makeover. As I hit the digital canvas, I sped up the video to condense the vectorizing process. You'll see the transition from paper to pixels, emphasizing key decisions, adjustments, and the overall refinement of the logo mark. Each click and curve is a deliberate choice to capture the essence of Revex's dark and immersive gaming world. This accelerated view provides a glimpse into the meticulous process of the digital transformation. And there you have it, the vectorizing phase. But before going to the final phase, this is all the concept that I get to vectorize. And the concept that I decide to go with is this. So now, let's go to the presentation of the brand. From research and discovery, creating Stylescape, to sketching, then vectorization, finalizing the brand with a clear presentation, using guides to ensure the logo mark is not just a symbol, but a sharp, clean, and balanced representation of the Ravex's spirit. Guides in design play a crucial role in perfecting the kerning, ensuring each element finds its sweet spot in the design. It's a subtle craft that adds fineness and coherence, making the logo mark not just visually striking, but also harmonious. Another method is to use geometric shapes, as they can be a powerful method to find balance in a logo mark or other logo types in general. As you see, this is a template that I crafted. I use it to present logo concepts whenever I finish designing a brand. It includes logo color variations, colors, logo overlay background, brand application, and more. It can be expanded since it's only artboards, combined together to form a striking visual presentation of a brand that will make clients say yes from the first glimpse. And this is an overview of the representation. Moving next to stationery, which in our case is business cards and letterheads. Stationery plays a vital role in shaping a brand. Consistent branding across stationery items reinforces the brand identity and professionalism in all communications, without forgetting that it also enhances brand recognition and leaves a lasting impression on clients and partners. After a lot of trades and errors, trying different concepts and refining, I end up with these options, which really suit the brand. I also expanded my horizon to social media posts, billboard, posters, landing page for the studio's website, and more. If you'd like to dive deeper into the details of this project, you can find the full showcase on my Behance profile. And there you have it, Revex's brand identity from the logo mark to its real-world application. If you're a business owner who need a logo or a rebrand for your brand, don't hesitate to reach out to me via email or DM me on my Behance profile so we can schedule a call and discuss your project. And I also share helpful design and branding tips on my Instagram profile to help designers get better at what they do. Links to my socials are in the description down below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more creative videos. See you in another video.